Hello students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before starting video, I would like to tell you something. Please sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, pause the video, note it and proceed on. If you find somewhere difficulty, then please write in comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again.
Now here is the question. A simple pendulum of length small l has a time period capital T for small oscillations. A fixed obstacle is placed directly below the point of suspension so that only the lower quarter of the string continues oscillation. The pendulum is released from rest at a certain point O. The period of oscillation, assuming small angles, will be, here we have given four options. Options are first 3t by 4, second t by 4, third t by 2 into bracket 1 plus root 3, and fourth t. Before solving the question, let's see what says the question here. This is string and suppose this is pendulum. Okay, and here it beings to be oscillate, and somewhere an obstacle is kept. You can see the length is decrease and then time period is also decrease. So here this is the obstacle, this is the string, original length is L, and this is the object. Here 1/4 portion, 1/4 of this time period, its time period as usual, but here the length is decreased, and so therefore time period is also decreased. So total oscillation, single oscillation, that is 1/4, then this is 1/4, return come back, that is 1/4, and then 1/4. It means 1/4, 1/4, that is half portion, and that is the half portion. So half portion different time period, and this half portion different time period. Is it okay? Because here the length is changed and this half portion length is remain same, L. Okay, so here now I repeat it again. Here when pendulum reaches up to mean position to extreme position, time taken t by 4, and from to extreme position to mean position again t by 4. So for this portion t by 2 time period is taken, and same things applied here, but here the length is L, and in this case second half the length is changed. So net time period t dash is equal to half of t1, half of t2. For this time period we have labeled t1, and for this time period labeled t2. Why? Because length is changed. Is it okay? And what is the formula of time period t equal to 2 pi root L by g? This formula we have using. T dash is equal to 1 by 2, 2 pi root, here the length. What is length? Total length is L, and this obstacle is 3L by 4. Subtracted we get 1 by 4L. 1 by 4L by G, thus half 2 pi root L by G. These two cancel, these two cancel, T dash pi L by 4G plus pi L by G. Here 1 by 4 and its root, that is 2 L by G plus pi L by G. So T dash is equal to pi root L by G, get common, then 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 pi L by G. Okay, so multiply in numerator and denominator. Why? Because our time period is 2 pi root L by G. So 3 by 4 2 pi root L by G. So This is time period. So new time period is t dash is equal to 3 by 4t. This is option A is correct. I hope so you understood this question. Thank you.
Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Definitely, when you will become success, whole contribution goes to your hard work. But if my videos, my lectures, my questions will help in your success, I will consider myself lucky. Please like, share and subscribe my channel that can reach more and more students. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.